Why squat form matters for teenagers.
Squats are excellent for building strength, especially during the teenage years. But using the wrong form can lead to injuries or hinder growth. Learning proper technique helps teens develop muscles safely and supports healthy bones and joints. Paying attention to squat form now sets the foundation for safe, effective workouts for years to come.
Starting position, the right setup.
Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, toes slightly turned out. Keep your chest lifted and shoulders back. Focus your gaze straight ahead and engage your core muscles. This balanced stance protects your back and knees, giving you a strong base for every squat. Before adding any weight, master your position to build good habits.
How to perform a safe squat.
Begin the movement by pushing your hips back as if sitting into a chair. Keep your knees behind your toes while lowering your body, and don't let them cave inward. Lower yourself until your thighs are parallel to the floor, or as far as your mobility allows. Press through your heels to return to standing, keeping your back straight at all times.
Common mistakes to avoid.
Avoid rounding your back, lifting your heels, or letting your knees collapse inward. These errors put extra stress on your joints and increase the risk of injury. Keep your movements controlled and your posture upright. If you feel discomfort or pain in your knees or lower back, stop and reassess your form before continuing.
Tips for safe progress and injury prevention.
Start with just your body weight until you have perfect form. As you get stronger and more confident, gradually add resistance, such as light dumbbells or a barbell, always prioritizing technique over heavy weight. Warm up before every session and stretch afterward. Consistency and patience are key to safe, steady progress as a teenager.